Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Discord for community building for career tech topics, beginner guide. Visit the Discord website or open the Discord app on your device. Create a Discord account if you do not already have one. Log in to your Discord account. Once logged in, look for the search bar at the top left corner. Type in relevant career tech topics, such as software development or data science. Press enter. Browse through the list of available servers related to your search. Select a server that seems active and has a welcoming community. Click on the server to view its details. Read the server description to ensure it aligns with your interests. Locate the Join Server button, typically found on the server page. Click on Join Server. You may need to complete a CAPTCHA to verify you are a real user. Once verified, you will be a member of the server. Explore the channels within the server for various topics and discussions. Engage with community members by introducing yourself in the welcome or introduction channel. Participate in discussions and ask questions relevant to your career tech interests. Utilize direct messaging features to connect with individuals for networking opportunities. Stay active and monitor announcements or events that the community hosts. Always adhere to community guidelines to maintain a respectful environment. Contribute by sharing your knowledge and resources within the community. Make the most of available resources and opportunities for learning and collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.